Dodge's forgotten pickup that tried to become a muscle car. When people talk about American muscle, names like the Charger, Challenger, and Mustang usually dominate the conversation. But hidden in Dodge's history is a pickup truck that chased the same dream and almost pulled it off. Meet the Dodge Dakota RT, a mid-sized truck that wasn't built for hauling heavy loads. It was built to leave black stripes on the pavement. Introduced in 1998, the Dakota RT arrived at a time when performance trucks were still a rare sight. Under its hood sat a massive 5.9-liter Magnum V8, producing 250 horsepower and 345 pound-feet of torque. Power was sent to the rear wheels through a 4-speed automatic transmission, launching the truck from 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 7 seconds. For a mid-size pickup in the late 1990s, those numbers were seriously impressive. But the Dakota RT offered much more than straight-line speed. Dodge lowered the suspension by 2 inches, added a limited slip differential, upgraded the exhaust, and fitted aggressive 17-inch wheels wrapped in performance tires. Wide fender flares and distinctive RT badging completed the look, giving the truck the attitude of a classic American muscle car. Ironically, the engine wasn't exclusive to the Dakota. The legendary Magnum V8 also powered vehicles like the Ram 1500 and the Jeep Grand Cherokee 5.9 Limited, earning a reputation for its deep exhaust note and massive low-end torque. Despite everything it had going for it, the Dakota RT never became a household name. Traditional muscle cars stole the spotlight, and this unique street truck quietly faded into automotive history. Today, however, enthusiasts are finally giving it the recognition it deserves. Dodge built fewer than 16,500 Dakota RT models between 1998 and 2003, making clean examples increasingly difficult to find. While standard Dakotas remain affordable, low-mileage RT models have already started attracting collectors, with some selling for around $30,000. And if you think the Dakota RT was Dodge's first attempt at a muscle truck, think again. Nearly 10 years earlier, Dodge partnered with Carroll Shelby to create the Shelby Dakota, a limited production V8 pickup that paved the way for the RT. Only 1,500 were ever built, making it one of the rarest performance trucks of its era. The Dodge Dakota RT may never have achieved the legendary status of the classic muscle cars that inspired it, but for those who appreciate forgotten automotive icons, it remains one of the coolest V8 street trucks Dodge ever built, a pickup that never stopped dreaming of becoming a true muscle car.